Streamlit versus React, which front-end framework is better. Choosing the right front-end framework can completely change how you build user interfaces without unnecessary complexity. We will explore both Streamlit and React briefly. Streamlit and React are popular front-end frameworks with distinct approaches. Streamlit focuses on rapid development for data apps using Python, while React offers a flexible, component-based JavaScript library for building complex, interactive web interfaces. The core difference lies in simplicity versus customization. Streamlit is an open-source Python framework designed for quickly creating data-driven web applications. It works by allowing developers to write Python scripts that automatically generate interactive UIs without needing extensive front-end coding. Streamlit handles UI rendering, state management, and updates seamlessly. Its strengths include simplicity, fast prototyping, and tight integration with Python data libraries like Pandas and NumPy. This makes it ideal for data scientists and analysts who want to share insights through interactive dashboards without learning JavaScript or complex front-end tools. However, Streamlit has limitations in customization and scalability. It is less suited for highly interactive or large-scale web applications, as it abstracts away much of the front-end control. For users focused on rapid deployment of data apps with minimal front-end overhead, Streamlit offers a powerful and efficient solution. React is a widely used JavaScript library for building user interfaces developed by Facebook. It enables developers to create reusable UI components and manage application state efficiently. React works by rendering components that update dynamically based on user interactions or data changes, using a virtual DOM for performance. Its strengths lie in flexibility, scalability, and a vast ecosystem of tools and libraries. React supports complex, interactive web applications and can be integrated with various backend technologies. However, React requires a solid understanding of JavaScript, JSX syntax, and front-end development concepts. It also involves more setup and boilerplate code compared to Streamlit. Ideal users are professional web developers or teams building scalable, feature-rich applications that demand fine-grained control over UI and performance. React's component-based architecture makes it suitable for projects that need custom designs and extensive user interactions. Comparing Streamlit and React highlights a trade-off between simplicity and control. Streamlit excels in fast development of data-focused apps with minimal front-end knowledge, perfect for prototyping dashboards or internal tools. React, on the other hand, offers unmatched flexibility for building complex user interfaces with custom interactions and large-scale projects. If your goal is quick deployment of Python-based data apps, Streamlit saves time and effort. For applications requiring rich UI features, responsiveness, and integration with diverse services, React is the stronger choice. Streamlit's abstraction limits customization, while React demands more technical expertise and setup. Choosing between them depends on your project needs. Streamlit for rapid data-centric apps, React for scalable, interactive web solutions with detailed UI control. Choose Streamlit if you prioritize speed, simplicity, and Python integration for data apps without needing advanced front-end customization. React is the best option for developers building scalable, interactive web applications that require extensive customization and performance optimization. It offers a robust ecosystem and flexibility for complex projects. Select React when fine control over UI and user experience is essential to your success.